All right, can you go ahead and give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel? Today I'm in a 2018 Subaru XV Crosstrek, and I'm going to show you where the parking brake is in this vehicle. As you can see, I'm sitting in the vehicle with the vehicle currently in park. All right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my foot on the brake, push down on the brake down there, and then I'm going to look to the center, and you see this lever right here. I'm going to take my hand, pull it like pushing the button, pull it up until it stops. All right, pull it up hard enough till it stops, release the button, relax, and the parking brake is engaged. Do you see that right there? You see that? It says brake. The parking brake is engaged. Now to put it back down, I put my foot on the brake. That's what I tend to do. Come up here, pull up slightly, press on the button, release it until it's all the way down. You can see the parking brake is off. Let me know if you have any questions.